Hello and hi everyone. You are watching Rafi the Grammarian. So today we are going to see degrees of comparison. We have three kinds of degrees in adjective. They are positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. I'll tell you why is it called so. These are the adjectives, and the adjective from positive to comparative and to superlative. So we are going to see the changes first. So in positive we apply good or well. It is changed into comparative as better, and in superlative best. And the same for bad or evil or ill. So this is a positive degree of an adjective, and it is changed into comparative as worse, and the superlative form of bad is worst. And here we have much, and the comparative form is more, superlative is most. So here much, more, most is considered as quantity. So when we talk about quantity, we can use much, more, most. And when you are going to talk about the numbers, accounts, you can say many, more, most. And we have one interesting fact about late. So here we have two kinds of comparative. One is later, L-A-T-T-E-R. Another one is later, L-A-T-E-R. The same for superlative. We have two, last and latest. So what does it mean? L-A-T-T-R and L-A-T-E-R. What is the difference between them? So we have a slight difference. When I am talking about a subject, when I am talking about a number, I can add L-A-T-T-E-R, later. So here L-A-T-E-R is absolute for time. That is mentioned for time. So for an example, I can say the later part of the subject is very interesting. The later part of the subject is very interesting. In this sense, for an example, if we have 15 more topics in mathematics or anything, in that the later part, the later one, last one, right, I am talking about the numbers, the subject, the order, then you can add L-A-T-T-E-R. And what about the later? Usually we say I catch you later. I catch you later. So in that case, it is mentioned for the time. And here you can understand this topic, superlative, last. The last topic is very interesting, or the last topic is very boring. I can say, I cannot say the latest topic is very fishy or very interesting or very boring. We cannot add this in quantity, in number. Last lesson, I read the last lesson. Here I can say the latest inventions are very useful. The latest inventions are very useful. It is absolute for time, to mention time, when it has happened. Fine. And this one, far, farther, and the superlative, farthest. Near, nearer, nearest. Beautiful, more beautiful, and most beautiful. So we cannot add ER or EST for all the time. We have to mention for comparative degree more, and in superlative degree most. Handsome, more handsome, most handsome. So some of the adjectives are we can say it in two ways, both ways. Either we can use more or most, otherwise we can add ER or EST. For an example, here we have handsome, handsome, handsomer, handsomer, handsomest. So I can add it: handsome, more handsome, and most handsome. So I prefer this thing: handsome, more handsome, and most handsome. So now we are going to see the transformational sentences in degrees of comparison. Just a second. So now you can easily understand why is it called positive, comparative, and superlative. So we have three types in transformation sentences. The first type is type 1. Here all the three are comparative. We are using it for compare something else. This is what the first type 1. So here we have a sentence. This is actually positive degree. Why? Because we have cool. So cool, cooler, coolest. The comparative degree of cool is cooler, and the superlative degree of cool is coolest. So we can easily identify the degrees. And before and after we have to add as. So here you have to watch carefully. Here we have two things: Shimla as subject, Ooty as object. Fine. So now I'm going to change a positive degree into comparative. You should know this. In type 1 we have only one choice. We can change the positive degree into comparative degree and comparative degree into positive degree. That's it. We cannot add superlative here. The superlative degree cannot be mentioned here. So now I'm going to change a positive degree into comparative degree. So I'm going to take Ooty as subject. So you have to convert the object as subject. Ooty a singular, so I'm giving is Ooty is. Here I have to explain it. Shimla is as cool as Ooty. So I'm not comparing it. I'm comparing in a positive way. So that is why it is called positive degree. Shimla is as cool as Ooty. Right. I'm not degrading Ooty or I'm not degrading Shimla. Right. When we change into comparative degree, we should add not. When the positive degree it doesn't possess not, we have to add not in the comparative degree. So Ooty is not. Comparative form of cool is cooler. Is not cooler. Any comparative degree. So we have three types. In all the three types we have to add than in the comparative degree. So this is must. We have to compare when we compare one from other, we should add than. Fine. So Oud is not cooler than Shimla. So this is comparative degree. Now I am degrading Ooty. So Ooty is not cooler than Shimla. In this sense, Shimla is the most coolest place in the world, I can say, right, than Ooty. Ooty is also coolest place in the city, but Shimla is, I'm comparing Shimla to Ooty. So it possesses more coldness. And the same, Ram is not so tall as Ravi. So here we have positive degree, right. Ram is not so tall as Ravi, even though Ram is also a tallest boy and Ravi is also the tallest boy, but Ram is not so tall as Ravi. So here we can compare a ratio. This is Ravi's height and this is Ram's height. Nearly, the people are nearly in the same height, but Ravi is taller than Ram. So now I am going to change in a comparative degree. So already I said I have to take object first, Ravi. So here we have not in the positive degree, so we are going to exclude it. Ravi is, so we have positive degree tall, the comparative form of tall is taller. So what we have to do in comparative degree, we should add than. So Ravi is taller than Ram. Fine. So both are in a similar category, but someone is better than something other, slightly better than other, not much, slightly better than other. So that says positive degree. So this is what the type 1. So we know very well how we have to change from positive to comparative and comparative to positive. Hope you understand, and I will move to the next one.